Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we prioritize your well-being and self-care. In today's video, we're going to share with you 10 quick and effective self-care tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Let's get started. Tip 1. Morning affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Look at yourself in the mirror and say things like, I am worthy, I am capable, and today will be a great day. These affirmations set a positive tone for your day ahead. Tip 2. Hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water boosts your energy levels, improves your focus, and promotes overall well-being. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip 3. Mindful breathing. Take a moment to practice mindful breathing. Close your eyes, inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times to center yourself and reduce stress. Tip 4. Move your body. Engage in physical activity that you enjoy. It could be a quick workout, a walk in nature, or even dancing to your favorite music. Moving your body releases endorphins and helps you feel more energized and refreshed. Tip 5. Digital detox. Set aside dedicated time to disconnect from electronic devices. Put your phone on silent or in another room and focus on activities that don't involve screens. This break from technology allows your mind to rest and recharge. Tip 6. Nourishing meals. Prioritize nourishing meals that fuel your body. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. Eating well-balanced meals improves your energy levels and supports your overall well-being. Tip 7. Express gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for. Write down 3 things you appreciate in a gratitude journal or simply think about them. Expressing gratitude cultivates a positive mindset and enhances your overall happiness. Tip 8. Relaxation techniques. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your day. It could be practicing yoga, taking a warm bath, or indulging in a hobby you love. Find what helps you unwind and make it a priority to relax and recharge. Tip 9. Quality sleep. Ensure you're getting enough quality sleep. Create a calming bedtime routine and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Good sleep is crucial for your physical and mental well-being. Tip 10. Self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to a close friend. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's essential for your overall happiness and well-being. And there you have it, our 10 quick self-care tips to help you prioritize yourself and lead a happier life. Remember, self-care is a continuous journey, so be patient and allow yourself the time and space to take care of your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more self-care tips and inspiration. And as always, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.